What's up, yo? Hey, all right, so check this out. Today, we need to talk about some important stuff. So, basically, we need to talk about business. Specifically, business savings accounts or accounts where people might put their money for a business. Now, I know most people have like a business checking account and stuff like that, right? Now, the main thing is you need to call your bank. You need to call your bank and figure out if there is an option for you to make more off your money. Now, I know this takes a little bit of work, right? But say for instance, I just basically switched over an account. So I open up a money market account where I keep all my winter funds, and I basically keep it there so that I can make a little bit of money off of interest. Now, obviously, interest rates have been down, and the money made off that account has been minimal. Now that they're coming back up, obviously inflation, everything else is going up, right? And it's probably, I don't know. But anyways, on that note, I basically had an account. It was like 0.75%. Now, there's a Robinhood account that I have that I sold most of my stocks that I had, and I basically signed up for their Robinhood Gold. It's like $5 a month. But I'm gonna make 3.75% off of the money that's sitting in there. That's really good. Another thing that I did was where I had all my winter funds, I basically took all that money and I stuck it in, well, my bank started offering a different checking account. So I signed up for that, which gave me an extra like $10 a month. And it's just free money, right? $10 a month, no big deal. But no big deal is you can take that $10 a month and start putting it in other accounts. So it's kind of like, you know, what do they call that? You're basically, I don't know the correct term for that. It's like, it's right here in my head. This is how my brain works. I apologize. Bear with me. But anyways, either way, okay, yeah, all right. Compound interest. That's the word. Man, it's right there. Anyways, so basically you take that $10 and you put it in your other savings account. So if I got all this money sitting in another account, it's making me 1.75% interest, and I want to make sure I have that accessible for my business. I'm going to take that money and put it in another account, and it's going to make 3.75% interest. Now, it's going to take a little bit for it to kind of get up there, obviously. It's just a time thing. But like most things, it's a time thing. And yes, I eventually, once that money starts to grow, I can use that money to invest in real estate or invest it somewhere else or into some other stocks. But the point is, call your bank right now. Look into different credit cards that might offer you some cash back bonuses. The gist of the story is I basically called the bank. I went from a 0.75% interest savings account to a different savings account that is now paying me 1.75% interest on my money. So last month, I made $10 off of my interest in this one account. Now, I'm taking that money, putting it in another account, and I'm going to make an additional 1.25% more than I did last month on that same amount of money. So you get where that comes in? Just by calling the bank and asking them. Basically, I just jumped on their website too and looked at their accounts and what interest rates. So if you got a second, go check out your bank's website. Maybe call them. Ask them if they have any options for you to, different savings accounts and all that stuff. But it might be good for the business to try to do that, because we all know, working in business, we've got a set amount of capital that we work with, that we need, that we have to have. Why not make that money work for you and have that pay you back by just sitting there? Right? Have a good day.